guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to do your own passion twist. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you press the notification bell so that you can get notifications every time I post a video. I'm just gonna give you guys a brief summary of what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and then I'm gonna get straight into the video and show you how I did it. What I love about passion twist is that it's a protective style for your natural hair. I feel like I really got a chance to bond with my natural hair as someone who wear wigs literally 24/8. But I feel like with passion twist, it makes it pretty easier to keep up with maintaining your natural hair, giving it moisture, oiling your scalp, and just, yeah, it's really cute. It's light, it's for the summer. My skin was actually starting to break out from all of the free spray that I constantly use. I mean, I'm still gonna go back to wigs, don't get me wrong. However, I really do feel like you need to give it a break, like especially frontals. You may get a good run from a closure, but when it comes to frontals, you really have to like, whew. But I love it, I'm loyal. And also another thing that I like about passion twist is that the weave matches with my hair. So somewhat, you know, at the same time, what I don't like about it is that the hair is kind of cheap and it gives that cheap look, especially like towards the end. But we'll see, I'll figure it out. Also, I feel like if you want to get passion twist, you have to maintain it. You definitely have to go back, put some moisture in your natural hair, put some jam just to make it like a little more neat if you want it neat. I think that it was pretty easy to do, but very, very time consuming. I'd say what take the longest is parting your hair. I don't want to tell you guys how long I took. I'll tell you guys at the end of the video because I don't want to discourage anyone. At the same time, everybody is different. Some girls said they took 5 hours, 2 hours to part. Some girls said they took 3 days. Yeah, I think that it's definitely worth it because with this method, I feel like I can keep my hair in this style for a pretty good amount of time and not have to worry about basically putting frontals and free spray and keeping up with it. If you have the time and you want to sit down and learn how to do it yourself, then stay tuned, subscribe, like my video, and yeah. Hey guys, in order to achieve this look, you'll need 5 packs of water wave hair, 22 inches, a crochet needle, rubber bands, shine and jam, leave-in conditioner, I use Cantu, coconut edge booster, and if you want to spice it up, you can use some gold clips. I recommend getting 6 packs because I use exactly 5 packs, but it's up to you. And you can purchase all of these products at your local beauty supply store. So what you're going to do after you part out a section of your hair is you're going to take some of your leave-in conditioner and you're going to rub that all through your hair. After you apply your leave-in conditioner, you're going to take some shine and jam and you're going to rub that all through your hair as well. This step is very important, being that we're using the rubber band method. You want your hair to be as moisturized as possible so that that rubber band doesn't create a tension on your hair. So after you moisturize the section of your hair, you're going to take a rubber band and tie that section nice and tight. I personally didn't put it too tight, which caused it to become loose a little more quicker, but I'd rather that than break off my hair. So to be honest, at this point I was getting ready to pre-part the rest of my hair, which is why you saw that I only really applied to the roots. It's up to you whether you want to pre-part your hair in sections or you want to part as you go. I did a little bit of both because I already had my hair parted from a previous style that I attempted. But as you can see here, I'm applying the leave-in conditioner and shine and jam all through my hair so that it's moisturized for when I put in the passion twist hair. So now you want to take a strand of the water wave hair and you want to split that down the middle. Then you want to basically put it together in the middle, making one end longer than the other. This will make your hair longer, so regardless of what inches you get, the more you offset the ends, the longer it will be. Then you want to take your crochet needle and you want to open the needle before you put it in. I like to turn my needle upside down, but when I push it through the rubber band,
and then as I push it through and the hook goes through, then you twist it upwards. This will prevent your hair from getting tangled in it while you're trying to push it underneath the rubber band. After I push the needle through my hair, I like to take the hair and twist it in the middle so that it can make an easier application while I'm putting it onto the crochet needle. After you place your hair neatly on the crochet needle, you want to close the latch, pull it underneath the rubber band, then you take one side of the hair, pull it through the hole. Careful not to get your hair in the hole as well. Then you want to take the other end of the hair and pull it together. Pull it together as though you're creating a knot. Then you want to split your real hair down the middle. Apply some jam, some Cantu, and begin twisting. So I'm right-handed. Naturally, I'll twist going backwards, but in order to achieve this style, I twist going forward. As you can see here, I feel like when I twist going forward, it basically makes the hair not unravel. And as you're twisting, you want to keep applying that Shine and Jam and Cantu all the way down. Applying Shine and Jam and leave-in conditioner is what is going to make your twist nice and juicy. I also do this to maintain my hair as well whenever it's like getting messy. So guys, it took me about 22 hours to complete this look. And when I get to the ends, I kind of just cut it because it kind of gets a little bit knotted at the ends. And when you let go, it bounces up. And I know at first it's going to look a little weird, but eventually they're all gonna like fluff out, so don't be too concerned. If you're doing bigger sections of hair, you're gonna do the same exact thing. Instead, you're just gonna take 2 strands of hair, open them out, and do the same exact thing.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that I was pretty clear and articulate on how to go about achieving passion twists and doing it yourself. I think that once again it's a great protective style for your natural hair. I really enjoyed that I got a chance to do it myself, although it was very time consuming. I feel like it was definitely worth it. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can get all of my new videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.